In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a check for owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started by diving right into the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the upper left corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you'll see a button conveniently labeled New. Go ahead and give that a click. It's your gateway to a variety of options, but what we're focusing on today is creating a check. From the menu that appears, you should select the option that says Check. This will open up the window where we can enter all necessary details for the owner's draw. Now that you have the check window open, it's time to specify the payee, which in this case will be the owner. Make sure to enter the owner's name accurately to avoid any confusion or errors. Remember, this step ensures that the right person receives the funds from this transaction. Next, we need to categorize this draw. This is crucial for proper accounting and will assist you in reflecting an accurate financial picture in reports. For the category, enter Owner's Draw. Doing this helps differentiate this transaction from others and clarifies that it is a withdrawal for personal use. Correct categorization is essential for maintaining precise records. With the payee and category set, it's time to specify how much the owner intends to draw. Type in the amount, carefully ensuring that it matches what you've agreed upon or planned for this withdrawal. Accurate data entry here is key to maintaining financial integrity and avoiding discrepancies in your books. You've almost completed the process, but don't forget the check number. Enter the specific check number if you have it available. This helps in tracking the payment and makes it easy to reference in the future. If you prefer, or if you're planning to print checks in a batch, you might select Print Later. This option is convenient if you regularly print a series of checks at once. The final step is saving your work. Click Save, and just like that, the check is now officially recorded. This action will update your financial statements, providing a clear view of your business's cash flow and ensuring that your records align with the reality of your business's financial activity. And there you have it, the complete process for writing a check for owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward yet essential task to master for accurate business accounting. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you now feel comfortable executing this task on your own. If you have any more questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.